Yo, YouTube, we got a banger today. I set it up, man. I set it up with the chat, and I showed them how to cheat at chess, how people do it. If you like the video, throw me a like. My record is 398. So I'm asking for 399 likes on this video. And if you don't sub, just hit the sub button, please. Thanks, guys. See you in the streams. Here's how it's going to work. I'm going to demonstrate to you guys how people cheat online by beating you guys cheating, okay? But I'm going to show you how I do it while we do it. And the way I'm going to get the moves from chat is you guys are going to give me moves. Justin Convoy just gave the first move. Okay, so this is how you cheat. This is exactly how it would happen if someone was cheating on chess.com. I get a move over here.
Good evening, Charlie, and Chiller's grin hand waving.
There's your move. I'm playing black. Boy, these guys are really dumb. They have no freaking clue what's going on, man. I got my setup. I got my computer over here. What'd they do? They played e4. Okay, I'm going to play. The engine says to play e5. So I'm going to play e5. Second move is c5. You can see the engine, guys. You see the engine? I'm going to play e5. Okay, guys, I've taken some serious consideration, and I think I'm just going to keep everything stock here, and I'm going to play e5. Go ahead and move, guys. It's fine. Knight f3. Knight f3 is a move, Justin. Thank you. Dylan, be nice, Dylan. I think I need a few seconds. I need a few seconds to think about this move, guys. These guys are suckers. They don't even know. E4, knight f3, like they got a chance. Whoa. Let me see what the computer says to do, because I suck at chess, or I'm even really good. I'm just afraid to lose, or I want to steal money or something. The computer tells me to cheat by playing the move knight c6. Knight c6. Okay, I better get back, or these numbskulls are gonna think I'm up to something. All right, you're a very honorable chess player here. I've come up with a move, folks. My move is knight c6. I'm awaiting your reply. This is how they do it, folks. It's crazy how cheating scandals have rock, chess, poker, fishing. No kidding. That's a telltale sign too, guys. Taking time on move 2. LOL. Bishop c4. Dave Joyce wants bishop c4. My opponent has played bishop c4. I was going to try and figure this out myself, but I have a better idea. Welcome to the cheating room. This is where I come up with my own ideas and defeat my opponents, and I feel smarter than them because I'm tricking them. Oh, what did my opponent play? He played bishop c4. So now my best move is, knight f6, I believe is the move. Knight f6. I'm just going to play it, guys. Knight f6. Oh, no, wait, I'm not supposed to be talking to you in this scene. I just broke character. This is me alone being evil. Okay, back to the game. Well, back to the game, I said. Okay, here we go, folks. After careful consideration, I will play knight c6. Now, let's see what you guys got. Bishop b5. We can't play bishop. Well, not anymore, we can't. What comes after bishop c4, guys? Evil Charlie 2.0. Come on, guys, make the move for white. You guys are playing white. I also set up a little cam to show you guys a little something. Here's the setup, guys. You guys know the setup. There. And here are my two boards where I'm cheating, guys. This program on the left is called SID. It's a database. I'm just using it for the board. The program on the right is called Baba Chess. Just for a little bit of extra information. See how it says connect right there? It's because I'm not connected, man. It's because I'm not connected. Because I'm not playing online. I'm just using this engine on the board on the right to defeat my superior opponents, folks. C3 they want. Okay, C3. You guys can play any move you want. You guys can play any move you want. Any move you want. Just come back over here real quick. I'll try and get a little bit better at it. C3. Coming back. The move I'm supposed to play is called knight e4 and d5. Ooh! It's knight e4, guys. Knight e4. They said c3. Didn't someone say c3? Who said c3? No one said c3? It was d3. I'm like, what? What? You guys just dropped the pawn. What? But that is how you cheat at chess. And this is part 2 that I did later in the stream when more people came in. This is the cheater cam, okay? And this is how someone would cheat. They would make moves over here. I already blundered this, but why the heck can I not just say new game, new variation? Oh, cool. We'll take it from here. Okay, so this is the game that we were playing earlier, okay? So you guys are playing white. and it went e4, e5. Then it went knight f3, knight c6, bishop c4, knight f6, and I thought you guys said c3, but you guys said no. But you guys said d3. Okay? So, now, this is the mad scientist computer cheater area. This is the guy, this is the nice guy that you're playing that's not cheating. So you guys, tell me a move. Tell me a move. As a matter of fact, they wanted d3. Yeah, oh no, now it's my move. It's my move, guys. So I have to think really hard. I'm thinking. Looking at Stockfish says bishop c5 100%. So we'll just kind of play bishop c5 on the old computer so the computer's up to date. Right? And then I'm like, guys. Oh, wait, wrong screen. I think I'll play bishop c5. And you're playing, you guys are playing white and you're playing against the computer. Did you see my Elden Ring comment, Trey? I didn't. So tell me your next move, guys. Give me the move for white. I finished all Elden Ring stuff, says Trey. I told you about yesterday. Even got Tish. Nice. Gonna hit Faru Masula Alexi tonight. Nice. Did you have to, how'd you do on Tish, man? What did we do with Tish? I had a really easy kill on him. I think it was Big Bonk was easy, right? The PM edition of Tilted Tuesday, Title Tuesday is starting now, says Claude Dodson. Did you see my Elden Ring comment? I saw it. Knight c3. Knight c3. That's a great idea. So we'll play Knight c3 for white. Okay, that's chat's move. And then I'll be like, Knight c3, huh? And then I'll go go over to my cheating cam, and I'll play Knight c3. And then I'll go, I'm using my own brain, but really I'm cheating because the computer says to play the maneuver castles. So, we'll play it here. And we'll play it here. So you guys know I'm castling. And then it's y'all's move again. See what I'm saying? That's how people cheat. I'm not good at it. I'm also doing it while I'm freaking trying to stream. Okay? So it's not going to be perfect. Hey, Joyce, I set that up, man. It's kind of fun, huh? Is that not kind of fun? Our board, the engine board, you know. I got the little Stockfish right there. I wish you could read the Stockfish better, but basically, you see the score is 0.31, and the first move is over there at is castles. You know what I mean? Yeah. So wait, that's not fair. You guys, it's not fair. You guys can't see the engine. Only me. I'm the cheater. You can't have the engine too. That would be fair. Tease was easy. I switched between Rock Sling and Carrion Piercer spell, which knocks her over. It kept her on her back the whole fight. Oh my goodness. That's amazing. Claude Dodson as white says castling is good. So you know what? Go ahead and castle. And then wouldn't that be great if you heard the noise in the background of the cheating board cheat? I'm making the move this time without showing you guys the cheater cam. Yeah, you guys can't see anything. Okay, I'm not even going to tell you what the cheating move is. I'm just going to play it. All right, y'all's move. That was a full segment of cheat. You actually could hear my freaking, you could actually, I think I just heard a peace move, guys. I think I heard a peace move in Neiman's game. So, Rhodes says bishop f5. Rhodes says bishop f5. Rhodes, why do you want to give up the bishop, folks? Rhodes, I'll just take it with the pawn. Cheater Skeeter Cam. Rhodes says bishop f5. You can't play bishop f5. Oh, wait. You're white. You're playing white. Yeah, you're playing white. Oh, bishop g5, I think you want. I think Rhodes wants bishop g5, guys. That's what I'll go with. Bishop g5. Okay, so then if I go to my cheater cam, and I go, okay, he played bishop g5. Now, what does the computer say to play? It says to play h6. So I'll play it on the computer board so the computer knows what's up. And then I'll come over here and play it on my sucker board. So my sucker knows it's their turn to move, you big dummy. You can't beat me. I'm good at chess. We need a cheater cam sticker now. Oh, man. The cheater sticker cam. Goodness. Is that great, guys? Okay, I've had enough of this, and I've demoed it twice. So I think people that came to see that got to see that.